What you're about to see is so disgusting, you'll watch Game of Thrones to calm down. You have been warned.
Man, am I jealous of you guys. 2 weeks in Lima, Ohio with Patty and Selma while I'm stuck here working. It's gonna be lonely. So lonely. I'm eating provolone again. Food just tastes better in the bathroom now and then. Gonna brush my teeth with mayonnaise. Now my sweat tastes just like donut glaze. Not a single morsel in the house! A forgotten hot dog! Happy birthday to me. I can't wait to eat. Now to slit it down the middle. Still frozen. Ah! My finger! My hot dog! My finger! My poor, delicious finger. Oh, wait a minute. I can't eat my own finger. It's unholy. Also, it's not quite done. But sometimes a man has to do the unthinkable. Like eat something medium rare. Oh! Makes complete sense. I eat more and exercise less than the most succulent pig. Of course I'm delicious. Hey
there, Homer Aloner. In the absence of the missus, you want something delicious?
Ugh. Oh, disgusting.
Homer Simpson, you don't like steak anymore?
Actually, I've become a bit of a megan.
You eating forbidden fruit?
Fruit? Ugh. Sorry, Flanders, but I've got more delicious meat in my little finger than you have on this whole picnic table. Really gone to a lot of trouble not to leave the house.
Homie, we're home. What's with the gloves?
I was watching Breakfast at Tiffany's and I thought I could be more elegant.
Elegant? With your waistline? I don't think so.
Homie, you shouldn't be snacking in the middle of the night. It can't be good for your... This is, without question, the worst moment of our entire marriage.
You see how she is, Doc? Always negative. She makes me feel like nothing.
You are almost nothing.
Almost nothing. Be deep down, that's why I hate myself. Because I hate myself.
Sounds like someone had a breakthrough. Hi, I'm famous cooker-upper, Mario Batali.
You mean chef?
I don't care for that term.
Well, I know I don't belong in therapy, but why are you?
I got depressed because I ran out of exciting new ingredients. Homer, we need to talk.
Could we walk and talk?
Well, sure.
My dearest family, I love you so much. I think I found a way to earn your forgiveness. Please come home. Come home to flavor.
He wanted me to pass on these final words. I've failed as a man, but I have succeeded as an ingredient.